Hi there traders, this is Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of FX Explained, and here we're going to go back into the Forex Zone. We're taking a look at the major currency pairs and day trade environment in here, day trade environment, day trade outlook, day trade views for the major currency pairs. So really the last week or so in here has been dominated by pound strength and also US dollar weakness. So we're going to focus on both of those going into today. So pound strength is the Brexit deal that's been done in here over the last 24 hours, not only helping the pound but also helping the euro in here. So EURUSD surging higher, relief that a Brexit deal appears to have been done. That still needs to get through the UK Parliament, remember, at this weekend. But we've surged for the euro above this important technical level at 111.10. That signaled an intermediate term bullish shift. Upside risk going into today, 111.40, maybe 111.64, even higher, only through 111.00, signals a more negative tone. For the pound versus the dollar in here, obviously the pound surging higher. Last week, we focused on that last week, and continuing going into this week, spiking up to 129.90, nearly up to that psychological 130 level. Been a bit of an erratic session yesterday, but nevertheless, the risks stay higher for 128.93, maybe back to 129.90. On the downside for the pound, only back below 127.56 in here, all the way down there signals a really more negative tone for the day. So we're still focusing on the dollar in here now, dollar weakening in here. As we said, we've seen a weaker dollar across the board. Here's dollar Canada, US dollar, Canadian dollar lower in here over the last 24-36 hours. Significant sell-off down to 131.27 through this 131.29 level. That reinforces the previous break of this trend line, and everything's certainly more negative as we go through into today. Australian dollar in here, staying firm again, the US dollar weakness, but Australian dollar strength, risk on scenario up through this downtrend line previously here up to 68.10 through this 68.09 level, surging through that over the last 24-36 hours, sustaining the intermediate term bullish theme and also the short term bullish theme, aiming 68.39, maybe 68.58 today. For the New Zealand dollar in here, again strength, US dollar weakness overall in here. We're going into this risk on scenario, US dollar weakening in the risk on scenario, up to 63.76, risk up through there. Then we've got 63.89 and 64.10.11 as upside targets for the Kiwi dollar. And for the Japanese yen, really this is the only place the dollar is not weak, but even the dollar yen rolling back slightly lower in the last 24 hours. But the dollar yen generally staying positive in here. We had a strong push higher up through this 108.47, 108.45 peaks in here. That set a more positive tone for the dollar. And this is really yen weakness on the back of the risk on scenario. Global risk on after the US Sino trade deal last week and the Brexit deal this week. So upside risk we feel for a rebound for dollar yen back up towards this 108.94 level going into today. So this has been Steve Miley, the market chartist for FX Explained in the Forex Zone today. Please do continue to come back and follow us on our YouTube channel, and I'll be back with you soon. Until then, have a great trading day. So traders, don't forget to catch us again on the Forex Zone, and also check out all the great content on fxexplained.co.uk.